If AI ads haven't worked for you yet, it's probably not the AI itself, but rather the way you're actually using it. Guys, I'm absolutely stoked today to be chatting with you about quick ads. Now, I reckon it's important to talk about why your ads aren't working these days and why most people actually struggle before they come across quick ads. Traditional ads are falling flat these days, and that's happened for a few different reasons. Random generation with no direction, no context from successful creatives, and no feedback loop from real world performance. Meta and Google are automating targeting and setup. Advertisers have way less control than they used to. Creatives now carrying a lot more of the performance load. Now you're probably thinking, so how is quick ads any different? Well, I'm telling you right now, it's a whole different ballgame, and it uses AI to help make the ad creation process as efficient as possible, so your marketing campaign, whether you're a small, medium, or big business, can be a real success. You're basically analyzing and cloning ads that are already proven winners. With quick ads, you can tap into over 20 million ads from across the industry. You can break down all sorts of hooks, angles, and different formats. You can actually clone smartly instead of just starting from scratch. You're pretty much creating ads based on insights and data, not just taking a stab in the dark, which, let's be honest, doesn't make sense, is inefficient, and costs a bomb. Here at Quick Ads, you can use image to video to quickly expand your formats. Build UGC and carousel ads straight into your workflow. You can also optimize using campaign intelligence. As personalization gets weaker, feedback from real-world performance becomes absolutely crucial. Creative decisions need to be based on actual data, not just gut feeling. Creative Analyst pulls data and insights from meta campaigns. See which creatives are actually driving center, that's click-through rate, and spend efficiency. And you can also tweak your creatives based on data, not just instinct. Alright, so just to give you an idea of what it looks like here, we're actually signed in, and we can go ahead and check out the process for creating a little ad. So when you're logged in here, you've got your dashboard section right here. You've got your Discover ads, Create Image, AI ads, and Posts. There are sections for things like fashion photo shoots. You can create your videos and optimize your ads. Alright, and you can even launch your own ads here. And there's also a section for AI agents, which is pretty cool. Okay, let's go ahead and just hit get started and see where we're at. Okay, so you can do things like share your product link to generate image ads. Okay, whether it's for e-commerce, service software, or just simply describing your product. So for this example, I'm pretty keen to see what it'll do for the describe product option. Okay, so for the product name, we can go with something like, alright, ultra special hovering snowboard. We'll get a bit creative with this, yeah? And we'll say the description is a snowboard that can automatically hover over dangerous terrain when you're up the mountain. Make the product suitable for both kids and adults. Okay. So you've got to have at least 100 words in the character count there, and then we can go ahead and generate ads. Okay. You can also pick an existing product, but I want to see what it comes up with here. And also, guys, Quick Ads does support, Shopify, Amazon, Etsy, all that good stuff. Okay. All right, here we go. You've got the product name, Ultra Special Hover and Snowboard, the description, the brand awareness. Okay, that's the objective of the campaign that's set up there. Okay. You can go ahead and upload an image, or you can actually generate one with AI. We'll say, generate a snowboard. That's pretty cool. So right there, you can just go for an AI image gen, which is great as well. Okay, so I have to say, I'm really impressed with this little snowboard here. That's bloody awesome. So we're going to go ahead and use that image, yeah? So we've selected the image, and we're going to go ahead and hit next. By the way, customer support's great. It's right down there as well. Now, you can go and actually choose your template. Okay, so you can go through and browse pre-designed template designs. Okay, optimize for high engagement. So say you want to pick, I don't know, maybe this one. That looks pretty cool. And let's go generate ads and just let that run through. You can also clone the ad, like we talked about before, and there's a custom section as well. Tick on or off whether you want to include brand logos in the ads. Yeah, really nice though, Sam. You can actually go in and connect your Meta account directly as well. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. The variation is here. Your new creatives are ready. Discover safer snowboarding options. Let's have a bit of a look at this. Let's make it a bit bigger. Cool. Innovative. Secure. Discover safer snowboarding options. Explore new ways to enjoy winter sports safely. Learn more. I mean, that's pretty spot on. What do you reckon, guys? I mean, let me know. Drop a like on this one. Comment if you reckon that's pretty cool. I reckon that's awesome. And if it actually existed, QuickAds would be the platform I'd use for it. All right. You've got the product image there. You can change up the colors. All right. The objective. And yeah, this is pretty cool, guys. Nice. So folks, if you want AI ads that actually perform, stop guessing and start building from what's actually there. Give QuickAds a go today and get 1 month off with the code AIBrain31. You've got multi-language optimization across more than 35 different languages. You've got human ad experts on hand mid-campaign in case you get stuck. And what's really cool is there'll always be exportable reports for clients, teams, or investors. We hope you enjoyed today's video chatting about QuickAds. Let us know what you thought in the comments. And if you want to sign up for QuickAds, because honestly it's a bit of a no-brainer, just jump in and get started on the Discover plan for $0. And the all-in access plan at $99 a month is just cracking value for money. It gives it a whole lot in there. All the links will be right at the top of the video description and in the pinned comments, guys. We'll catch you in the next video.